Okay, so we just took the EMAX Hawk Pro with a 360 camera attached to the top of it through this amazing slot canyon. So we got some really cool shots. I can't wait to show them to you guys. Okay, so we're gonna take the EMAX Hawk Pro with a 360 camera. We're gonna fly it down the slot canyon. Now you guys may have seen on my Instagram, I've been posting about this. I call it the giraffe. Basically just a long pole for the GoPro MAX to go on the end, and it separates it from the drone. So you're able to get better 360 shots because it shows the drone better instead of like cutting it in half. And then we have a nice little custom built 3D mount here that we're gonna mount the pole to on the Hawk. So a lot of people after seeing this have been asking me, does it fly differently? I haven't tried it on the Hawk Pro yet, so I don't know if it'll fly differently. Since it's so center of gravity, I doubt it. It'll obviously have less battery life, but other than that, I don't think there's gonna be a huge difference in how it's gonna fly. But yeah, there we go. Okay, so that was the flight. It wasn't very long, but we actually made it quite a bit down Slot Canyon further than I thought. So I'm gonna go check on everything, make sure everything's good. We only got a few flights in just because, you know, it was every landing was a crash because, you know, you just lost signal, so you turned off. The analog definitely went a lot further than the digital did. I tried digital here before, and I only made it about from the entrance there to just around this corner before I lost signal. So the analog definitely did better. In the Slot Canyon, I went about 1,500 feet before losing signal completely. So it's definitely something I want to try out more. The shots we got today, like, it was just a very limited supply of shots, but it's very hard to fly in a small area like this, especially when your signal's going out with every foot you go forward. But I hope you guys like the footage, and if you want me to do more cool things like this with the 360, definitely let me know, and have fun flying.